Hello, welcome to Anand India channel. In this video, I will take you to the Bhaje Caves. Bhaje Caves is at 13 kilometers from Lonavla. It is at 2.5 kilometers from Lonavla station. After Logat trek, we decided to visit Bhaje Caves. There is the Visapur fort right in front of you. You can see Bhaje Caves from this point. The road is very curvy and has tremendous slope. On right you can see a waterfall which is very near from Bhaje Caves. On right there is way to Bhaje Caves. I am going to park my bike here and then we will start climbing. These stairs are recently renovated by Government of Maharashtra. On right you can see a Logat fort and on left there is Visapur fort. You will find links for Logat and Visapur fort in description below. On left there is a ticket counter. For Indian citizens there is entry fee of 5 rupees per person. This is Stupa in Chaitya. This is cave number 12, which is biggest cave in 22 caves present at Bhaje Caves. These caves are 2000 years old. Chaitya demonstrates prototypes of wooden architecture and arc form of horseshoe ceiling. Here on first floor of cave, there are many small cells. In each cell, there is a provision of a bed of solid rock and also a provision to keep oil lamp. On ground floor, one Shivlinga is there. There are many underground water storage tanks here. Above water storage tank opening, there is a small inscription. This is a group of 14 stupas. 5 stupas are on outside and inside 4 stupas are there. These stupas are relics of resident monks who died at Bhaje Caves. The names of monks are encrypted over this stupa. This is cave number 19. It is a monastery with a veranda. The door has guardian figures on both sides. The carving shows a woman playing tabla and another woman performing dance. This is a god Surya riding a chariot and god Indra riding an elephant. We are on extreme end of Bhaje Caves. You can see a waterfall from here. It looks great in monsoon. After visiting Bhaje Caves, I came back to Pune via Lonavla railway station. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching Unknown India channel. You can also follow Unknown India on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Click on Unknown India logo to subscribe. Thank you. I really appreciate that.